This is a perfect gift idea for a kiddo in your life, especially one who's practicing their letters, one who loves to write or draw. This is also amazing for the car. So this is a magnetic board. It comes with legs, so you can make it a table. I actually like to leave it like this because my kids bring it around the house like this, a lot easier. So you have your pen here. And you can write on it. And it's cool because it's got different colors in each quadrant. And then easily erase. My kids love this because they can play tic-tac-toe, they can draw, they can practice writing their name and words. And again, like I said, this is super portable. It has a little grip here on the back. And here are the holes where you put the legs in if you want to use it like that. But this is a great toy for the kiddo in your life.